How to add money to your crypto.com account. Hey guys, today I will show you how to add money to your crypto.com account. This process is essential for anyone looking to start trading with fiat currency. First, open the crypto.com app and navigate to the bottom of the screen. Tap accounts, then look for the cash tab. This might be labeled as fiat wallet in some regions. If you haven't set up a fiat wallet yet, you'll see an option like add wallet or set up wallet. Tap that. Crypto.com supports multiple currencies depending on your region, so you'll see options for whatever currency is available where you live. For this example, I'll use USD, but the process is identical for other supported currencies. Before proceeding, make sure to take advantage of crypto.com's bonuses. New users get $10 back for their first crypto trade of at least $100, $15 for making a fiat deposit, which we're doing now, and $25 worth of CRO for getting the crypto.com card. Now tap open a wallet and accept the terms. The app will ask for proof of address. This could be a bank statement, utility bill, or similar document. Have this ready as a PDF on your phone for easy upload. After submitting your document, crypto.com will verify it. This usually takes less than an hour. Once approved, you'll see your banking details, an IBAN, bank name, and other necessary information. Go to your regular banking app, create a new transfer, and enter these details. In some regions, you'll need to include a payment reference code, so check crypto.com's instructions carefully. After sending the money from your bank, it will appear in your crypto.com account once cleared. For lower trading fees, consider using the crypto.com exchange app as well. It has the same login but charges lower fees, starting at 0.25%. Once a regular app, you can transfer funds between the regular app and exchange app instantly and for free since they are linked. This gives you flexibility while minimizing costs. Please like and subscribe.